Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase part of an image in Canva. First, open your desired design and select the image you wish to edit on your canvas. Next, click on Edit Photo in the toolbar above your design. From the Effects panel that appears on the left, locate and select the Magic Eraser option. This powerful tool leverages artificial intelligence, allowing you to remove unwanted objects or distractions with impressive precision and ease. Once the magic eraser is active, you will see a brush on your screen. Use the slider to adjust the brush size, making it larger for big areas or smaller for intricate details. Then, carefully click and drag your mouse over the unwanted object. The tool will process for just a few seconds, automatically analyzing the surrounding pixels to seamlessly fill the erased area. This provides a clean, professional result every time. Achieving a flawless erase often requires a bit of finesse. For precise work, zoom in significantly on your image, sometimes to 200% or even 300%. If you make a mistake, simply click the Undo button located at the top of your design space to reverse your last action. Don't hesitate to use the eraser repeatedly on an object for the best outcome. It's quite forgiving. The Magic Eraser opens up many creative possibilities for your designs. Imagine removing a stray person from a beautiful landscape or cleaning up a busy street scene. You can also use it to enhance product photography, making items stand out against a clean background. Practice using this intuitive tool on various images. You will quickly master its capabilities and elevate your visual content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.